Hello there, people of YouTube. Gonna do another guitar lesson, another song. You might recognize this one. When we were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Skin makes me cry. But I'm a creep. Alright, Radiohead Creep. That's what we're going to go over today. I'll teach you how I play it. It's a little bit of an intermediate song because it requires bar chords, but I'll teach you some simplifications for those of you who don't play bar chords. Starts out on the G though, so it's the people's chord. Everybody can play that. And then goes the B. Playing a bar chord at the 2nd fret. Then we got a C. And then we go with C minor. That's like an old 1950s kind of song thing where they go to the Beatles do it too. C to the C minor. Anyways, we got G. Now you could play. I'm just playing strings 5, 4, 3, 2. C. So that's one simplification. Just play this little triangle shape. Triangle's pointing that way. Index finger on the D string at the 1st fret. Middle finger on the A string at the 2nd. And ring finger on the G string at the 2nd. C bar chord, C just open chord. Alright, the C minor, you can simplify that a couple ways. One common way to play that is to play 1, string 1, your high E, on the 3rd fret. Middle finger on the B string at the 4th fret. Ring finger on the G string at the 5th fret. If you want to, you could add your pinky in there. Double up on the 5th fret. You go 5th fret on the D, 5th fret on the G. So that would be one way to play a simplified. It's kind of like almost like an F shape here, except we're playing on the 1st through 4th strings. Another way you could play it would be just to take your A minor shape and just move that up to the 4th fret and just play strings 4, 3, 2. And of course, this song relies on the dynamics of loud, soft, so first is our soft, chorus is our loud. I don't belong here. G major. The vocals start before, like so. When you were here before, starts before the G. Couldn't look you in the eye. B. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. belong here. Okay, it was Radiohead's first hit back in the days of grunge. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps me out with YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.